Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create an online resume for virtual assistants using Canva. Whether you're just starting or already experienced, a polished resume helps you stand out in the competitive virtual job market. Let's dive in. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the search bar and type resume. Canva has a huge selection of professional templates to get you started quickly. Browse through the templates and pick one that fits your personal style and the professional image you want to project. Pay attention to design and color scheme so it matches your branding. Click on Customize this template to open the design editor. From here, you can edit text, fonts, and colors to make it uniquely yours. Replace the placeholder text with your details: name, contact information, skills, and career highlights. If the template allows, add a professional photo for a personal touch. For virtual assistant roles, focus on highlighting organizational skills, software proficiency, and strong communication abilities. Keep your writing concise but impactful. Take a moment to review the formatting. Make sure everything is aligned, consistent, and error-free. Typos can take away from a professional impression, so double check carefully. Canva saves your work automatically, but once you're ready, download your resume as a PDF or share it directly using Canva's link options. This makes it easy to send to clients or upload to job platforms. And there you have it, a beautifully designed online resume created with Canva, ready to help you stand out in the virtual assistant job market. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your job hunt.